you to the sleek design of the all-new Toyota Urban Cruiser Taisor. Make your style with a premium front grille with chrome varnish and stylish front fascia, extending the design language to the twin LED daytime running lights so that you can swag your way forward. That's not all. You can be appealing even from a distance with the stylish connected LED rear combi lamps and rear badge. Moreover, you can enhance the style quotient with the sleek and sporty 16 inches machined alloy wheels. And when it comes to the all-new Toyota Urban Cruiser Taisor interiors, a plush dual-tone cabin sets the mood for an exciting getaway. Moreover, the interior isn't just stylish and comfortable, but decked with features like the 360 view camera that lets you maneuver tight spaces. It's also home to the head-up display with turn navigation that doesn't let you get distracted from the road as it gives you all the drive info. Add to that a wireless charger that never lets you run out of charge on an adventure. Also bring alive all your getaways with the advanced infotainment system. Coming to the rear seats, the 60-40 split rear seats along with enhanced boot space lets you carry all your getaway gear. Laden with advanced connected tech, the all-new Toyota Urban Cruiser Taisor lets you connect with your car seamlessly. When it comes to power, you can make your thrills with the power-packed 1-liter turbo engine that clocks 0 to 60 in 5.3 seconds. It is coupled with a sleek 6-speed automatic transmission mated with paddle shifters that enable smooth gear shifts, letting you make your way to exciting discoveries. You also have the option of a 1.2-liter naturally aspirated petrol engine that delivers best-in-class fuel economy and practicality. At Toyota, your safety is our topmost priority. Safety in the all-new Toyota Urban Cruiser Taisor is secured by 6 airbags for more enhanced protection and a robust and formidable hard-tech platform. Moreover, you don't have to fear inclines anymore when there is hill hold assist. Making your way isn't that fun and exciting enough without the matching shades. Go ahead and spruce up your drive with special accessories and make your way like never before. Make your way to the stylish, thrilling, the all-new Urban Cruiser Taisor.
The all-new Toyota Urban Cruiser Taisor, available in 2 engine variants. For the 1.2-liter engine, the price starts at 7.73 lakhs and go up to 9.52 lakhs across 6 variants. Hope my media friends would like to take photograph. I will move on to the turbo 1-liter engine, which starts from a price range of 10.55 lakhs to 13.03 lakhs, offering 6 enticing variants to choose from. So get ready to embark on an adventure like never before with all new Urban Cruiser Taisor.